Time for the giveaway, time for the giveaway. Let me see, hold on. I ain't got no connection. Okay. Take this shit off. Hope y'all got y'all email address on there. If you don't, your ass disqualified. Oh Lord. Taking so long. But I'll go to the comments. Let me load all of them up first. See, I know it ain't no game. So nobody don't feel like they got cheated. It's a lot of damn comments. Okay, so that's everybody loaded up. So I'm just randomly go through and pick. I ain't gonna even look. It's gonna be random. So whoever this is, am I on somebody? Am I on somebody or not?
Yeah, right here. This is the one you want.
Okay, so this one. Howard Ernest 87. Got 24 hours. I'm gonna email you right now. And you got 24 hours to respond. I got the gift card right here. From Summit. Oh, yeah, gift card right here. So just so you know, 24 hours. I'm finna email you right now as we speak. Hold on, I'm gonna give me email so you know. So it's Howard Ernest, right?
Mm-hmm. Slim Cutter 93.
Say Slim Cutter 93?
Mm-hmm.
What I say, at Yahoo?
Mm-hmm.
I got it right here. So, I'm emailing you right here. I'm finna show y'all. I'm finna send it. Next one's gonna be the 40K giveaway. 40K subscribers. I'm gonna do a raffle for LS Swap. So, tell your friends, family, mama, daddy, sister, brother, everybody. Subscribe. It's real. Real. And my number, 817-797-8355. Stop emailing me, asking me questions. 817-797-8355. That's the number. Alright.